Pain is not a shame. Well, a few people going around spreading propaganda and trying to scandalize Iman in that form or shape, talking about Iman is sick with blood disease, bone cancer. I'm very healthy and I will always be healthy with all intention. At 67, I'm in the best of health. I'm not sick. I'm not afraid for sickness have no limitation. Anyone can be sick. Anyone can just living and not feeling good at some time.
So that happened with Kevin.
You know, and that's exactly what happened to our son, Kevin. If he could prevent pain, then possibly he would be here today. For he would be fully in control of pain, or sickness, or pass away. But there's no such thing like anyone can be in control of those things. So pain is not a shame, regardless how we might see it and the name what we might call it. Pain is not a shame. It's a part of life. I'm not afraid of anything or no one. For in life there are some things where it don't even make sense to think about, be afraid of it. For everyone did have to pass within due time and season.
And Spear, Mr. Spear, Big Mouth Sonia here. Let's talk about the 9 Mile Festival. How do you feel about the 9 Mile Festival?
I see 9 Mile Festival as a oneness, and this oneness, the significance of this oneness is about Bob. For Bob would do something like this, and Bob would like to see something like this take place every year. So I say the essence of this 9 Mile Festival is about musicians and singers coming together and put the best they can based upon what they do when they go on the stage for the people. This festival also have an essence of the birthday of Bob, what take place a couple weeks ago, and myself birthday is March the 1st. So it's intertwined with birthdays, and a big celebration would even intertwine more guest artists and the true fans and the true lovers of reggae music who've been listening to all of us music from that time and still listening to the music today. So this is how I see 9 Mile Festival.
So what Mr. Spear, how do you feel Mr. Marley, because you know Bob, you play soccer with him, you intertwine with Mr. Marley on a personal level. So how do you feel Mr. Marley would feel today to know that the Iman Burning Spear is going to be at the 9 Mile Festival?
Jabby, Bob would feel great, you know, it would be a pleasure. You know, Bob would embrace that. You know, Bob would see it as one musical family, you know, for the people's festival, for the people's music, you know. This is how Bob would see it, you know, it's a oneness. And it would be something wherein, I don't know if we could copy that again when it takes place. For this would be one of the most outstanding things would ever take place during Reggae Festival from whence until now.
Why did you choose the 1 Mile Festival, the 9 Mile, sorry. Why did you choose the 9 Mile Festival to be your first show in the USA in 2012?
Wow. Now, one have to remember, you know, Burning Spears from the parish of St. Ann, Bob is from the parish of St. Ann, Marcus Garvey is from the parish of St. Ann. 9 Mile Festival I come from out of the parish of St. Anne, the hills of 9 Mile. What could ever better than that to be a part of? This is the whole significance of this festival, 9 Mile Festival, the People's Festival.
Are we running around the red, gold, and green, Mr. Spear?
Of course, there's no other colors for I and I to rally around. Besides the red,
it's green and gold.
Hey.
Come on, Mr. Spear. Give me about the give me a lyrics about the rainbow. Show me what you gonna give me some lyrics where you gonna sing at the 9 Mile Festival. Sing for me, Mr. Spear. Sony has a troublemaker over here. Give her what you want, Mr. Spear.
Marcus Garvey words come to pass. Marcus Garvey words come to pass. Do you remember the days of slavery? Do you remember the days of slavery? No one remember old Marcus Garvey. No one remember old Marcus Garvey. Christopher Colombo, Caesar, Tiam blasted Layard. Christopher Colombo, Jano de, do. Postman, African postman. Here to pick up the pieces, here to pick up the pieces. For when the sun goes down and we move along, I will call on you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, Miami, Florida? Hey, the Spear.
Hot.
Red. Musically red. The People's Festival.
Jah is real.